Hello, my name is Abdulwahab Ibrahimovic, and in today's video we are going to talk about healthy habits and healthy living. So let's get started. Do you eat fruit and vegetables every day? Do you do any physical activity? Let's take a look at some healthy and unhealthy habits. Doing a physical activity will help keep you fit. This is great for your health as you grow up, but it also helps to take your mind off other things. Eating breakfast every morning can help you feel better physically and mentally through the day. Getting enough sleep is important for children and teenagers. Your bodies are still growing and your mind is still developing. Sleep helps your body to rest and it helps you to concentrate better. Having a hobby is the perfect way to relax. Doing something you enjoy can take all your worries away. Now, let's see the unhealthy habits. Using mobile phones in bed will take you longer to fall asleep, and thus you will feel more tired and sleepy when you wake up. Eating too much junk food can have negative effects on your health and may cause diseases like obesity or tooth decay. By watching TV, you can learn a lot about cultures, history, wildlife, and so on. But the more TV you watch, the less physical activity you're getting, which affects on your health negatively. So now here we have a list of healthy and unhealthy habits. Let's decide what should or shouldn't we do to have a healthy lifestyle. But before we do the task, let's look at the examples. Healthy habits. We should get enough sleep. Unhealthy habits. We shouldn't eat late at night. Okay, let's begin. Eat fruit and vegetables. If you said we should eat fruit and vegetables, you're correct. Skip breakfast. If you said we shouldn't skip breakfast, you're correct. Watch too much TV. If you said we shouldn't watch too much TV, you're correct. Drink a plenty of water. If you said we should drink a plenty of water, you're correct. Do a physical activity. If you said we should do a physical activity, you're correct. Surf the internet for too long. If you said we shouldn't surf the internet for too long, you're correct. Now let's watch a short video about present continuous tense.
Hey Adam.
Hi Jamie.
Are you coming to the cinema with us on Sunday?
Jamie isn't asking about now, she is asking about the future. Oh, sorry Jamie, I can't. I'm going to the gym on Sunday. Is Adam going to the gym now? No. When is he going to the gym? On Sunday. For arrangements in the future, we use the present continuous tense. Now let's complete the given sentences with present continuous tense. Maria and I, next week, we decided to do more physical activity. If you said, Maria and I are jogging next week, you're correct. When Emmy to visit us, I miss her. If you said, when is Emmy coming to visit us, you're correct. Jacob to football with us this weekend, he is too lazy. If you said, Jacob isn't going to football with us this weekend, you're correct. My brother to the park with his friends tomorrow. If you said, my brother is going to the park with his friend tomorrow, you're correct. You a party for a birthday. If you said, are you having a party for a birthday? You're correct. Our lesson is over. Until next time, take care.